guys, magluluto tayo guys ng potato salad. Yes guys, potato salad for our dinner tonight. So wala akong ano dito. Baked potato salad. So ang potato salad na lang ang gagawin natin. Ngayon, yung aking potato na nabili, may potato pa pala siya dito. Ang dami namin potato guys. Potato slide. Ang potato para na pang potato salad, yung white pala yun. Ay, yung yellow. Yung yellow potato. So, ito lang mayroon ako. Ito na lang. Pwede naman siguro to. Actually, pang ano to eh. Pang bake. So, ito lang ang mayroon ko. Ito na lang siguro. Pwede naman siguro to. Potato salad tayo guys kasi namiss ko ang potato salad. Kasi magbe-bake sana ako ng potato. Kaso lang, nag-change ang mind ko guys. Mag-ano na lang tayo. Asan? Mamaya. Mag-ano na lang tayo potato salad. So, pakukuluan natin tong ating egg at saka potato. Then, gagawa tayo ng sauce. Yung sauce ng potato. Nakikita nyo ako parang ang layo natin. Tinatamad kasi ako magkuha ng stand na ano eh. Ayan, pakuluan na lang natin muna yun. So, yan. Ang gulo ng ano guys kasi maliit lang tong kitchen dito. Sira naman ito, tapo na. Ang dami naman natin potato, ba't kaya tayo matsatsaga dyan sa sira na potato? Kaso lang wala akong paprika. Dapat may paprika to eh. Kasi ang paprika guys, mayroon ba ako dito? Parang wala akong paprika dito eh. Turmeric ang mayroon ako. Kasi nilalagyan to ng paprika guys sa ibabaw. Yung potato salad. Ngayon, hihiwain natin guys. Hihiwain natin ng maliliit para madali siyang maluto. Ayan. Mainit na. Ilagay na rin natin yung 2 eggs. Parang kulang yung tubig. Damihan ko din, dagdagan natin to kasi babaunin na lang ni Banana yung iba kung mayroon pang matira na ano, chicken wings. Pwede niyang baunin. Init naman na kasi nararaming po. Wala, mamapang. Hindi ka lang bawasan ng tubig. Ayan guys, pakuluin muna natin yan. Tama na siguro yan. Kaya marami naman na. Mayonnaise at saka and sweet relish. Ayan guys, gagawa tayo ng ano na natin. Which is hilaw pa naman yan, pero gagawa na tayo ng ano, pinaka ano niya, cream niya. Sauce niya. Gagawa na tayo. So, mayonnaise. Wala akong paprika guys, so ang gagawin ko is, since wala akong paprika, gagamit ako ng kunting turmeric sa ibabaw para ano lang pang design lang sa ibabaw yung turmeric kasi wala akong paprika. Tapos sweet relish, bosin na natin. Mustard. May tubig kasi yan guys, ano, kaya ang ginagawa ko lagi kong inanuhan yung ano niya, yung unang ano niya. Then syempre salt. Then, paminta. Ang paminta natin guys, malalaki. Hindi ako nakabili ng ano. Then, of course, lagyan natin ng garlic and onion powder. Hindi man siya nag-ano dito. Naninigas siya pag ano. Hindi mo masyadong nagagamit. Kunti lang. Like what I said guys, I don't have a paprika. So, ang gagamitin ko is turmeric mamaya. So, ayan na po guys. Turmeric ang ating pang kulay. Ayan na siya, makulay na siya. Turmeric na lang ilalagay ko sa on top. Sprinkle lang siya. Kasi wala nga akong anong tawag dito? Wala nga akong paprika. Paprika dapat eh. Wala man akong paprika. Kunting turmeric na lang. Ayan, tikman natin. So, sa yun pa, oh, pinapakuluan natin yung potato and egg. Ay, mali naman kaya. Naman pala hindi nakulo guys kasi mali naman itong pinapakuluan ko. Nasa kabila naman. Ay, nako. Ang anga-anga naman talaga, oo. Ang pinakuluan ko yung oil, ayun o, oil po yan. Buti hindi siya umapoy. Dito yung nakalagay. Doon pala yung nakasindi yung dulo. O diba kaya pala hindi nakulo. Hay nako. Pero nobody's perfect talaga guys. Kaya gano. Ang dami yata ng ano ko. Bawasan natin ito mamaya. Tapos i-ano natin kasi parang ang dami yata ng ating sauce guys. Kulang sa asin. Kulang sa asin. Kulang ng asin guys. Maasin-asin. Matamis naman ng sweet rolls ko. Bata, ano? Tinapon ko na yung sweet rolls. Meron pa yung konti. Tinapon ko na. Masarap kasi ito pag malamig. Kaya ginawa ko na to. Kasi gusto ko malamig siya. For dinner namin to guys. Which is now is only 2 o'clock. Hindi ko siya maano. Masarap na yun mamaya. Hindi ko maanuhan yung lasa eh. Parang maasim sa akin. Then gagawa tayo mamaya ng chicken and rice for Gary's food. And gagawa tayo ng barbecue. Nakamarinate na po yung barbecue natin. Chicken barbecue. Ayan. Ano ba ito? Yung peanuts. Ay, may peanuts pala tayo guys. Dito nakalimutan. Ayan yan yung ating barbecue guys. Ayan yung ating chicken barbecue. Nakamarinate na po siya. Ayan. Tapos gagawa na lang tayo ng pang-glaze dyan. Ketchup and toyo. Ito yung ating chicken and rice later. Yan. So, yan guys. Antayin lang natin maluto yung ating potato. Then, gawa na tayo ng ano. Ito po yung healthy drink natin para siyang ano, sausawan. Pero healthy drink po yan. Mag-iwan tayo dito ng ano ni Gary. Ano yun? Iwanan natin to kasi ayan, ang tagal maluto. Then ito, dadalhin natin to guys. Ay wala ako ano sa bahay. Para hindi na ako bibili kasi tingnan mo naman yung ano, onion niya dito. Magdala din tayo ng green onion. Oh, ito. Ang dami niyang onion. Hindi man siya nagluluto dito. Ito yung pang chicken rice natin. Chicken and rice natin dito. Ito, dadalhin pala natin to. Dami natin yung oil. Kaya namili na rin ako dito kayo. Para isahan na lang. Itong treats ni Mek, i-uwi din natin to kasi wala siyang ano doon. Ganito. Uwi tayo mamaya. Bukas tayo uwi. Ayan. So, see you later guys. Antayin lang natin ay, lagyan natin ng asin pala yun para ano, para masarap siya. Masarap na yung itlog. Nakalaga. Templado na siya. So, see you later guys. Hi guys, so naalala nyo guys, nagluluto ako guys. Hindi ko natap, ay yung ating charger, saan ba yun? Wala yata yung charger. Kukunin natin charger natin Max. Naiwan ko doon. Dito lang yung charger natin. Saglit lang guys. Yung charger natin nandun sa ano. Hindi ko nadala, wala tayong charger. Saglit lang guys ha. Kay may kikwento ako sa inyo guys. Saglit lang, nandito yung susi ko eh. Saglit lang. So guys, anyway, emergency po yung pag-uwi natin guys kasi dapat bukas pa kami uwi. Eh, di ba nagluluto ako? Ayan, tika lang, saglit lang guys ha. Hey honey, you okay?
Honey, are you already in the car?
Yeah.
Listen, my nurse, what's your name? Justin's here. He needs your consent for them to transfer me to Shreveport. Okay?
Yeah. Hi.
My name's Justin. I'm one of the nurses that work back in here. I'll let him know that the case has been accepted. I'm waiting on the doctor to get the room assignment organized, and then I'm gonna call the ambulance, and then gonna have them come pick him up, and then they'll transport him to Business Highway.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I've given him a narcotic, I just need your verbal consent for me for us to transfer him.
Okay.
Alright, do you have any other questions for me?
I think no because what time is gonna be there in Shreveport?
As the crow flies from here to Shreveport, it's about 2.5 to 3 hours. So, if I can get an ambulance here shortly, my best, I would say would probably be close to 7.
Okay.
But I don't know if an ambulance is available right now.
Okay, okay. I'm just gonna make Mrs. able to hold this phone, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
You are most welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
tell me your name.
Stacy Mai.
Here, I'll let you spell your name, buddy.
TESSIA. TESSIE. MICE.
So you'll probably be home before I get there. So just go home and put Max. Take care of Max. Give you my medicines and
Yeah.
everything. Alright. Get some gas. It's cheaper in Louisiana if you can help it. I mean, yeah. Okay?
Okay, so I'm gonna
Just
what?
just go home and I'll call you if I can from the ambulance or wherever when I get there and let you know what room I'm in, okay?
Okay.
Island Place. It's where I had my hip surgery.
Okay.
Remember? Shreveport.
Yeah. Your hip surgery, where is it? There's two buildings on it.
It's gonna be somewhere in the, I'll give you a room number and the directions when I get there.
Okay.
Alright, I love you. Be
Love you,
careful.
honey. Bye.
Bye. Hey,
What?
honey,
What?
this is Erin.
Hi.
She's my private nurse and she took care of, she's my HR director. She's gonna make sure the truck is safe.
Okay, tell her thank you.
Alright, you tell her.
Thank you, ma'am, for being there.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
She's mean, honey, and I'll tell you more about it later.
Okay, honey, heading home. Bye. Love you.
Bye. Bye. Love you.
So guys, we're heading home, guys. Supposed to be we're going tomorrow, but he has did you say that the nurse called me? He has an emergency. Gary has an emergency. So he is in hospital right now, but he is going to transfer to the big hospital, which is where we live. So we're gonna go. I'm going home, so I can catch him in the hospital after that. So wait, ano ba nangyari doon sa ano ko? Okay, so anyway, let's go, guys. You ready, Max? I hate these feelings, guys, because he
Please
already been
drive to highlighted
he's
route.
been already this happened before, but that he has, I think he has a stroke, and he has chest pain in his eyes, like stroke eyes before, and now he gonna have procedure, something, gonna do something. I don't know what this procedure it will be. I'm just gonna pray for God that everything is okay, and they're waiting for the ambulance to transfer to the hospital that close to us. And anyway, guys, we need to go because it's already at 3 o'clock. So okay, guys, let's go, guys. God guide our travel. I need to get a gas, so I'm gonna get the gas and that. So okay, guys, let's go. Patayin ko muna kayo, guys, ha. So guys, when I am driving home, heading home, I'm communicating with Gary. Maybe he's transferring by ambulance to Bosher, which is there in our house, close to our house, in a bigger hospital. But I think he's not going with ambulance. I think he's going with a helicopter. So it means helicopter is really he needs to transfer. So pray for us, guys. See you there. So guys, update tayo, guys. Malapit na ako sa bahay. Hindi na ako nag-vlog, guys, sa paghinto namin kasi nagmamadali ako. Malapit na tayo sa bahay, sa mga 1 hour na lang. Yeah, I mean, hindi. 35 minutes na lang tayo. Makakarating na tayo sa bahay. Then i-drop ko lang itong aking mga gamit at saka si Max. Then didiretso din ako sa hospital. Andoon na daw siya. Hinatid siya by helicopter. Transfer siya by helicopter. Kasi matagal pag ambulance, 2.5 hours ang drive. So helicopter na lang nila para mabilis. So malapit na ako, guys, and diretso rin ako sa hospital. So update later, guys. So guys, I'm already home and I'm heading to hospital. Ano na, 8 o'clock, 8:07 na ng gabi. So
Stay to the right to Louisiana 3227.
I'm heading to hospital. So let's go, guys. Update ko kayo pag nandun ako, guys. I'm supposed to be there 8:37. Hello, guys. Nakalimutan ko dalhin yung GoPro ko guys sa hospital. Kaya dito lang yan sa car. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-film kanina. Nakalimutan ko siyang dalhin. So guys, uuwi muna ako. Magbibihis ako, maliligo ako, kakain ako. Wala akong tulog kasi maingay sa hospital. Maya maya may pumapasok na tao. Kaya uwi muna tayo. Magkakape ako, wala pa akong kape. So, marami pang test na gagawin guys. Mayroon siyang echo, yung sa heart test, kung anong mayroon, ba't sumasakit yung kanyang dibdib. So, dapat kanina yun mga alas 7 kaso hanggang ngayon wala pa. So, uwi muna ako. So, hi guys! So, we're going back to the hospital. Bring something to eat. Bring some drinks. So, Max, you stay here, okay? Kawawa naman si Max. You stay, okay? You be good boy, okay? Ang good boy mo yun. Wawa naman. You want Mama give you treats? Come on, give you treats first. Bigyan muna natin ng treats para Come here. Para hindi naman siya magtampo. Come, you want a treats? Come on. Bigyan natin treat. Awawa naman si Mac. Awawa. Hindi pa naman niya kakainin yan pag nagtatampo siya. Come here. Treats. Susi natin. Here, okay? Bye, Max. See you. See you tonight or see you tomorrow morning, I think. Bye, Max. Wala naman ako. Kasi na lang.